morning, children. Today I am here on the very first day of your week, Monday. Till now we have completed our chapter number 3, that is water resources. Still there is math work is left that I do in your live class. When you have next Saturday you have live class, there you will sit with your maps and I through your video conference calling I will tell you locating of different multi-purpose river dam projects. And today I am going to dictate you some important questions. Going to dictate some important questions from this chapter whatsoever we have studied till now. You know that I am your social science teacher. Jasveer Kaur is here once again to recap the whole chapter today in my this video. So please you have to note down all these questions whatsoever I will tell you. Question number 1 is, how much of Earth's surface is covered with water? How much of Earth's surface is covered with water? And answer is 3/4. Answer is 3/4. You have to write its answer also. Somewhere I will tell answer, somewhere I will ask you to write answers yourselves. Then second question is, how much % of the total volume of world's estimated exists in oceans? Exists in oceans. How much water of total worlds exists in oceans, that you have to see. Then question number 3. Question number 3 is there. Water is being used. Water is being used both for hydropower production and irrigation of which of the following? Right? I am repeating the question. Water is being used both for hydel production and irrigation which of the following? And options are Bhakra Nangal Dam, Hirakud Dam and Satluj Byas River, and fourth option all the above. I am repeating the options: Bhakra Nangal Dam, Hirakud Dam and Satluj Byas River Dam. Okay, now question number 4 is there. Question number 4 is there. What is India's rank in global precipitation in the terms of water per person availability? What is India's rank in global precipitation in the terms of water availability per person per annum? Right? You have to write its answer. Then third one is, what is the share of, then fifth question is there. Our next question is fifth question, what is the share of hydroelectricity produced in India? What is the share of hydroelectricity produced in India to the total electricity in India? Right? Then our question number 6. Question number 6 is there. All these are short answers. Which regions of India experience low rainfall and drought-prone areas. Once again, listen. Which regions of India are having low rainfall and drought-prone regions? Low rainfall and drought-prone regions that you have to see. Then next question number, I think 7. Question number 7. Apart from the flood control and irrigation, what are the other uses of multi-purpose river projects? Apart from flood control and irrigation, what are the other uses of multi-purpose river project? Right? It controls the flood, and disadvantage we can write. Sometimes flood causes to these also. That is another matter, only for your information I am telling you. Then question number 8. Question number 8. Which place in India has artificial lake to conserve water that dates back to 11th century? You will find its answer in ancient hydraulic structure of India. Right? So I am repeating question. Which place in India has an artificial lake to conserve water date back to 11th century? Then question number 9. Question number 9. In which part of India rooftop rainwater harvesting is mainly practiced? Rooftop rainwater harvesting mainly practiced. Then question number 10. Is there. How many households have installed this rainwater harvesting system in a village in Mysore, in Karnataka? How many households have installed the rainwater harvesting system in the village in Mysore in Karnataka? You have to give the name of the village and number of the houses. Then our question number 11. Question number 11. A tank for storing water that was, I told you its length, breadth and height. Its length was, depth was 6.1 meter, 4.27 meter long and 2.44 meter wide. This is a tank. Now you have to tell where is it found. Where it was found. In which village or which place this tank was found. Then we have question number 12. Question number 12. Which of the place gets highest rainfall in the world? Highest rainfall in the world. Options are Shillong, Aizawl, Cherrapunji, Myshoram. Aizawl, Cherrapunji, Myshoram or Shillong. All these are the options you have to tell. Now our next question is question number 13. Question number 13. Who proclaimed the dams are the temple of modern India? Who proclaimed the dams are the temple of modern India? Then we have question number 14. Hirakud Dam is built on which river? In other words, we can say on which river Hirakud Dam is built? On which river Hirakud Dam is built? Next question is question number 15. Question number 15. What is the number of renewable resource in India per annum? What is the number of renewable resource in India per annum? It is water resource, but you have to give its number, right? much square kilometer, cubic meter, जो भी आपको estimate है. Then question number 15 questions are okay, right? You have to note down all these questions and their answers. Wherever you find any difficulty to find these answers, you may tell me in our live class, okay? And we can discuss that answer once again. Tomorrow also sit with your notebooks and book. I'll dictate some more questions of 3 marks. These questions were of 1 mark each. Bye students.